We'll guide you through how to copy link in Blackbox AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to share their Blackbox AI conversations with friends, classmates, or coworkers. Many users need to send discussion results, coding help, or study explanations quickly. This guide helps beginners understand the exact steps to copy and share conversation links correctly. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type blackbox.ai carefully into the address bar. Then, press Enter on your keyboard to access the official Blackbox AI website. Once finished loading, you will automatically be taken to the Blackbox AI homepage. After that, click Home in the upper right corner to make sure you are on the main page of the site. Then, click Sign in the upper right corner to begin the login process. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure it is correct and active. Then, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid typing mistakes. Click Login to enter your account, and wait until the dashboard appears completely on your screen. After logging in successfully, click History in the upper left corner to view your previous conversations and activities. A list of your past chats will appear on the screen. Next, select the history you want to copy the link for by clicking on the specific conversation. Make sure you open the correct conversation so you share the right content. Once the selected conversation is open, review it briefly to confirm it is the one you want to share. Then, click Share in the upper right corner of the page to generate a shareable link. Once finished, the link to your conversation will be automatically copied to your clipboard. You will usually see a notification confirming that the link has been copied successfully. Now, you can share the link you copied. Then open your Chrome. Then click Ctrl+V to paste the link you copied.